Is it too late to plant? Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. It is not too late to plant. So a couple of people were asking me if it's too late to plant. It's not too late to plant depending on where you live, but no matter where you live, even if you live up north, too late to plant yet. You can plant some stuff right now. So I'm here at Home Depot. They have some stuff here that are on clearance. You might be able to save some money on those and still be able to get some good harvest this year. So I'll take you through some of the stuff that they still have over here. You can still get herbs. You can still get vegetables and plant them right now and still be able to get some harvest this year. So let's take a look and see what they have here and some of the things that you can still plant right now and still be able to get a good harvest this year. So let's go. So as you can see behind me here, they have some herbs right here. They have some herbs, as you can see. They have some herbs right here that you can still grow herbs at any time and still be able to harvest them throughout the remainder of the year. They have quite a few of them. They have peppers also. They have peppers. You can still plant peppers. Some of the peppers are already producing, as you can see this right here. Some of the peppers are already producing fruits, so you can get peppers like this and still be able to grow your peppers and harvest the peppers. So over here they have rosemaries. Over here you can still harvest rosemaries, lavender. You can also still continue to grow spearmint right here, lemon thyme, sage, various varieties of thyme, cilantro. You can still plant cilantro and harvest them for a while. And take a look over here. They have some tomatoes. As you can see, save money on tomatoes. They have tomatoes, bunny tomatoes. The plants, they already have fruits on them. The tomatoes right now are $9.98, and they were $17.98. So if you just grow in containers, so you don't have a lot of space to grow, you can still get this and be able to grow tomatoes and be able to harvest tomatoes this year. And you're getting all these for like less than half the price. So they have quite a huge variety of tomatoes here. Some of them are already producing flowers. They have cucumbers here. So you can still grow all these things and still be able to. It's halfway through the season. I'll say, yeah, let's not up to halfway, but close to halfway through the season. You can still buy these. And more tomatoes over here that are already producing. These ones should be able to start harvesting in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Here they have potatoes, Beauregard sweet potatoes over here. They have cucumbers, they have pumpkin, they have zucchinis. So you can still buy these things and you can still grow these things. These are stuff that can still give you some good harvest for now until the cold weather comes in. So you still have at least 2 months, 3 months, depending on where you are, to be able to continue to grow vegetables and be able to get some vegetables from your garden. So it's not too late to start your garden. It's middle of July. You still have August, September, and in some cases October that you're gonna be able to grow and harvest vegetable from your garden. So do it. Don't delay, especially if you're getting seedlings like this. Most of the seedlings are already producing fruits like this. See the peppers already producing peppers. Look at the peppers right there. So if you're getting these on the store, you're halfway there. You're gonna be able to start getting some of the fruits in no time. So if you plan to grow any of those things, you can do it now and be able to still grow, so it's not too late. Over here they have more. They have curved parsley over here. You can still grow that. Hot cayenne pepper. You can see they still have, some of them have fruits on them already. You have sweet mint. You can grow that at any time. Chocolate mint right here. So they don't have a big selection of vegetables, but at least what they have, you can still get them now. You can still grow them now. Check your local farm stand, check your local garden centers. If you have any particular things that you want to grow, yes, there's a high probability that you might not find what you need, but just check those areas. You might be able to find some of the things that you need. You might be find some good bargains or good deals, like tomatoes over here that are 50% off, and be able to still grow some fruits, vegetables, either in your garden or your balcony, or on containers around the house or around the your yard, and be able to still get some vegetables from your garden. So it's never too late. So go do it, right? Okay, let me know in the comments below if you've planted your vegetables late in the past couple of years. If you planted some vegetables late, and let me know how they did. I'm sure you were able to harvest some stuff. So let us know in the comments below if you were able to plant some stuff late and be able to still harvest throughout the season. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.
Yeah.